Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The Narwal T10 is the first mopping robot we've tested that uses a 2-tank system. How well does it perform? Let's go ahead and find out now. On our cleaning test, the Narwal removed a surprising amount of dirt and debris from the floors. It did an excellent job vacuuming and mopping hard floors, although it struggled with vacuuming on carpets. The Narwal did a fantastic job mopping the hardwood floors in our house. The before and after comparison of the cleaning pads show a significant amount of dirt was removed by the mop. Similarly, you can see from the dirty water in the tank how much dirt has been cleaned. As for vacuuming, the Narwal was able to remove nearly all debris on hardwood floors. We tested it against 4 different sizes of debris, and the only debris left behind were the small bits of kitty litter and rice. We also ran our standard carpet vacuuming test on the Narwal. On low carpet, the Narwal was able to pick up the largest debris, cereal, but it missed most of the kitty litter and sugar, as well as some of the rice. On high carpet, the results were similar. The Narwal removed larger debris, but struggled to remove smaller debris. Despite the fact that the Narwal has a 2-in-1 design that allows for vacuuming and mopping, the vacuum performance on carpets left much to be desired. However, given the strong mopping performance, it's hard to complain too much. The overall design of the Narwal T10 is similar in form factor to many other robot vacuums we've tested. It has more of a straight front edge rather than the more common round shape of many robot vacuums. Narwal uses a LiDAR system up top as well as a control button to start or pause cleaning. The Narwal can be configured as a vacuum or as a mop. For vacuuming, there is a snap-in tray with 2 spinning brushes. For mopping, there are 2 spinning brush pads that are moistened at the dock. Users need to manually change the attachments for different modes. The Narwal does not have a traditional central brush roll. Instead, it uses straight suction and spinning side brushes. The docking base is a feature that helps the Narwal stand out from other robot vacuums and mops. This is the first robot vacuum mop we've tested with a 2-tank system. The water tanks in the base each have a capacity of 5 liters. One tank is for wastewater and the other is for clean water. While mopping, the Narwal automatically goes back to the base station to clean its mopping pads, empty its dirty water, and refill with clean water. Then it goes back to where it left off to continue the mopping cycle. As for size and weight, the Narwal T10 is slightly larger than other robot mops and vacuums we've tested. The robot is 12.4 inches wide, 13.6 inches deep, and 4.3 inches tall. It weighs 8 pounds. The docking station is 15.5 inches wide, 12 inches deep, and 17.5 inches tall. It weighs 17 pounds with empty tanks. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the Narwal. The Narwal T10 comes with a large array of parts and accessories. It comes with extra mopping pads and extra spinning brushes. It also includes cleaning tools for the dirt bin and washboard, plus mopping detergent and a magnetic strip. The onboard dustbin includes a HEPA filter. When it comes to cleaning, the Narwal was fairly slow to complete the first full cleaning cycle. The first full clean took 6.8 hours for 2,800 square feet of coverage. The second full clean of the same area took 4.4 hours, so there is some improvement over time. Some of the added time is due to the water changing process as it mops. The Narwal detects when its cleaning pads are dirty and drives itself back to the dock. At the dock, it cleans its mopping pads, deposits dirt, and refreshes the mopping pad with clean water. Then it returns to where it left off and continues cleaning. Despite the slow process, the robot completes everything on its own, so the user does not need to keep checking in on it while it cleans. The Narwal can connect to a smartphone app to control it remotely. The app is fairly basic and it's lacking some features we've seen from other robot vacuum apps. We expect the app capabilities will be upgraded over time, but as of now, the Narwal app cannot schedule cleanings and does not allow users to adjust the amount of water used for mopping. The app does allow users to see the map of the room as well as the mop's progress and its current location. Once the cleaning session is complete, you can see the cleaning duration as well as the total area cleaned. Navigation on the Narwal T10 was pretty good overall, although it does have some limitations. It uses a LiDAR system to map the room. The first time the Narwal is used in a room, it needs to run a mapping mode. In our 2,600 square foot home, it took around 30 minutes to map the entire house, which is pretty quick. Setting up area blocking on the app was not super easy. Because the blocked areas don't include dimensional measurements, it's hard to tell exactly where and how large the blocked off area needs to be. As a result, it ends up being a sort of guess and check endeavor. The Narwal is pretty average when it comes to climbing over obstacles. It gets caught on the typical items we see catch robot vacuums, including getting stuck under low furniture and on bar stool legs. However, these obstacles are remedied with the in-app area blocking. Despite the climbing and area blocking limitations, the Narwhal still does a fine job at navigating the home. Once I got my map all set up, it was more or less hands-off cleaning. If you like this video, please get subscribed. You'll get automatic updates from YouTube when we release new videos. It's a big help to our channel, and it's totally free. When it comes to maintenance, there are a few tasks users need to take care of, including changing the water tanks, cleaning the HEPA filter, emptying the onboard dustbin, and cleaning the washboard. To change the water tanks, remove the dirty water tank, empty it, and rinse it out. Refill the clean water tank, and replace both tanks into the base. You really do want to make a point to empty the dirty water tank within a day or so of completing a clean. The dirty water tank can and will start to smell. The mopping pads are cleaned on the base. Even so, it's a good idea to periodically wash them in a washer dryer to get them extra clean. The base only cleans mopped water. It doesn't store dry debris. So the dustbin for dry debris will need to be emptied after each vacuuming job. Last but not least, you'll also need to clean the washboard. The washboard is a removable piece of plastic in the base of the docking station where the mopping pads are cleaned. Narwhal recommends cleaning the washboard every 2 weeks. However, depending on the state of your floors, you may find you want to clean yours more often. So, should you buy the Narwhal T10? Overall, the Narwhal T10 is an effective robot mop that does a good job vacuuming hard surface floors. The mopping capabilities are easily the best we've tested to date, and is the only robot mop that is close to being a full replacement for a traditional mop. It was proficient at vacuuming hard floors, but the carpet vacuuming performance was not good. For that reason, homes with carpeted rooms will likely still need another vacuum to clean the whole home. The Narwhal T10's cleaning performance as a mop is unparalleled. The spinning mopping pads do a great job cleaning hard floors. It is thorough and is able to clean messes and make the floors look spotless. One of the most exceptional features of the Narwhal T10 is the docking base with self-emptying water tanks. The water tanks have a 5-liter capacity each, and they hold enough water to clean the entire home. The robot will go back to the base to clean the mopping pads, then return to finish cleaning, all without the user getting involved. This is a huge benefit for both convenience and usability. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments, questions, please drop us those notes down below. Do you have a robot mop at home? We'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the Narwhal. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.